Hey Beshies! Today, Beshi, I'm taking you through a super quick and easy LTO registration process at QCIS Motor Vehicle Inspection Center in Quezon City. So based lang to sa experience namin mga Beshi Una sa lahat, they will do a pre-check on your vehicle. Pagtapos ng Beshi, dito na tayo. Step 1 is for emission testing. Madali lang to and it cost 850 pesos. Step 2 is for CTPL insurance. So 1,280 yung bayad namin dito. Step 3 is for LTO renewal. 3,600 yung bayad namin. Pero syempre, depende yung price kung anong type ng vehicle yung gamit nyo. And mga beshi, biruin nyo yun kasi less than 2 hours lang kami nandyan. So makikita nyo yung price dito and tingnan nyo naman. Kahit late or expired yan, tinatanggap pa rin nila. So anyway, malapit nga pala to sa Mindanao Avenue. The place is really accessible and super organized. Ito lang tip mga beshi. Make sure to cash in sa GCash account nyo before pumunta dito kasi medyo pricey yung pag-cash in dito. Tas mga beshi, alam nyo ba may free wifi din sila. So if you have questions, feel free to message them.